Hello everyone, I'm Genji Johar. Today I'm representing application of nanotechnology. First one, what is nanotechnology? Nanotechnology is the study, design, fabrication, and application of materials, device, and system at the nanoscale, which is roughly between 1 and 100 nanometers when unique phenomena enable novel applications. Nanotechnology has various applications in medicine. Medicine are used in drug delivery system targeting specific cell and tissues for more effective treatment. Electronics are used in the development of flexible electronics and wearable device. Energy is used in the development of new materials for solar cell, improving their efficiency and reducing food used in food packaging to enhance shelf their cost life. Environment is used in the remediation of contaminated solid in water, and also construction, textile, cosmetic, water and their purification. Other applications of nanotechnology. Nanomachines are incredibly tiny devices ranging from 1 micrometer to 1 nanometer in size that are built using nanotechnology and can perform specific tasks, potentially revolutionizing fields like medicine and environment remediation. Nanorobots, also called nanorobots or nanomachines, are tiny programmable devices designed to operate at the nanoscale, 1 to 1000 nanometers, and perform tasks like drug tissue repair and diagnosis.